guys, welcome to this channel. Welcome to my channel. I'm Goodness, and if it's your first time here on my channel, here I post videos about Microsoft Office packages, graphic design based on real case studies and real experiences. I'm the founder of Goodman Computers Institute and multiple other services. So I think you're going to enjoy this content. So go on, hit the subscribe button and turn the notification to get every new update. Without wasting time, let's dive into the topic of the day. Okay, yeah, wow, welcome. Now looking at this Excel is already predefined, though you can do something better than this. Just a few caps of what we are going to be witnessing today. We're going to learn how to put these beautiful colors and some few text and how to do some random stuffs on Excel. Okay, now we're going to talk about today the editing. I'm going to get rid of this joy here. I'll tap on it, I'll press delete. So look at the cell border, I see shiny color, so I'm going to come here and put it towards no fill. Do you see that? Wow, that's good. Now I'm going to duplicate this exactly to this place, but then first and foremost we are going to learn how to achieve this. So first click here, we're going to type Goodman. First we're going to use caps selector, Goodman Computer Institute. Beautiful. Then we're going to pick our serial numbers. Okay, serial numbers, SN S/N, names, class, courses, course. Okay, let us put course. Then we're going to put what age. Okay, so mind you, these are fictitious names I'm going to be using here. There's no real human names here, just fictitious names, just for the major aim of teaching. Okay, we're going to go over to board now. This we're going to put our numbers 1 to 2. Now before now, let's talk about this. If I put 1 and I place 2 under, then I highlight the 2 of them. You see, just click and drag, and I drag this black box here. See, my arrow, my cursor changed to a dark box. Once I drag it down, what happens is that it automatically generates other numbers for me. Yes, we're going to make use of it here. So we're going to tap here. Okay, 1, 2, sorry, you come down, 2, highlight. Okay, highlight it, then you drag it down. So this gives me up to 5, number 5. So I'm going to highlight this, I'm going to delete it. Beautiful. Now we're not going to waste much time in this tutorial. I'm going to be a short and a quick one on how to make use of your font, how to make use of your font panel and your alignment panel. These are two very important panels you need to know about in Excel, and are going to help your work much more easier. Okay, now we're going to talk about class. We're going to put the names. Okay, just for the purpose of time and saving, we're going to copy these names, highlight them. Okay, Ctrl C, or you come here, you click on copy. Okay, then you tap on the names, then you paste or you Ctrl V. Okay, bam. Do you see that? But it looks somehow weird. Okay, but no problem. Go between L and M column, then tap it twice or you drag it to the desired length you want. So but I'll tap it twice. Bam. Good. I like this. Very nice, very sweet, very wonderful. Okay, now this same time I'm going to copy this. Okay, Ctrl C. I'm going to do it now with shortcuts. Then I'm going to tap here, Ctrl V, also to paste it. Nice one. Then the same thing is English. I'm going to highlight it, Ctrl C, then top here, Ctrl V, bam. Then the age is random age. I'm going to highlight it too, Ctrl C. I'm going to paste it here, Ctrl V, bam. Okay, now you see this is not actually looking like this, so don't worry. In a few minutes, in a moment, just in a moment, we're going to make it look like this. So first of all, I'm going to highlight this Goodman from this point to the age point. Now we're going to introduce what we call merge and center. Merge and center is used to make a particular word come together and brings it to in the center. It brings all the cells, make them into one and bring them to the center. So you click on it, bam. Do you see that now? Very nice. You see that? Okay, click here in the middle. Fine. This is called aligning. So I can align this Goodman to the top, align it to the right, align to the left to right, then center. I can bring to the middle here. You see that? Very nice. I can also increase the size. Yes, wow, this is good, this is good. I can make it bold. I can change my font styles, any font family I want. But I think this is okay, so I'm still going to leave the default, the normal one that was there. Then I can make it italic by slanting it. Okay, do you see that? I can make it underline, put my underline. Now apart from that, I can change the text color maybe to something else cool, something cool. Yeah, nice. I like this. Okay, now go over to the serial number. Now at this point in time, I will highlight all my table heads. Yes, then I'll go to bold, make them bold, increase them. Okay, that is beautiful. Okay, then I'm going to change the text color to red. Look for red. Bam, you get that. Nice one. They want to call what? Fill color. And this fill color gives us ability to fill the background of where our text is on Excel. So when we click on it, bam, do you see that? Now I can also put a border. Border creates boundaries. It makes us see lines around our work. So we click on all borders. That is beautiful. And when we look very well, you see that in this course we have that this course entering the age. We don't actually want it like that. So we're going to tap it twice, or we drag left click between N and O, left click and drag to our desired length. Do you see that? Guys, you see that there's nothing that you cannot achieve as long as you're working with Excel. Now highlight. Now looking at this number here, this is different, so you highlight this. Okay, now we're going to, you see the numbers are in the center, so we're going to use this center align. Do you see that? Easy. There's nothing hard in Excel. You just have to bring out yourself and study. But you have to bring out yourself and veget all these things. And hey, don't take my word for it. You can modify it to your company taste, or to your school taste, or to your project taste. It's not much that it must be what I do. You can pick from what I do and make good use of it. Okay. Then next we're going to talk about, we're going to color it. So we're going to put normal. We'll put our border. Good. Then we're going to put our form fill. Well, we're going to make something look like good. That is it. Yes, guys. So we're going to make it bold. Can make it even look more better, self. Just make it italic. Okay. No need to put on the line. Okay. You can increase its font. Okay, more small. Good. Now you can also apply the same principles all over the cell. There's no restriction to knowledge. So, but there's one specific I want to talk about. They call it the format painter. The format painter, very, very important. Let's say I put the word to say yours. Okay, so in this yours, I want to modify the particular style I want. I will highlight it. I will click on let's say I want to put the border, let's say green. Okay, then I will increase the font. I'll make it bold first and I increase it. Okay, then I change the text color to, let's say, blue. Actually, it could be anything you want. That's just say blue. Okay, then now let's say I want something like this, or let me just change the background to like something like red and something. So no. Okay, I think this is cool. Okay, now taking this, now I want to take this formula, not formula, this style, and paste it somewhere on this other one that I created on this other side. So I'm not need to create everything from beginning. Just copy the style of all these things and use it in my work. So what I'm going to do, I'll select it first. You see, I select it first. Then under this cut and copy, you see the format painter. Click it. Now I go to where I want and I drag over that line. Wow, do you see that, guys? This is just what happened. I automatically copied and pasted a format, a edited format into an already existing data. See, your work can make it easy with Excel. Working with data can be a lot easier. Now, don't take my word for it. You have to practice it. Practice what makes perfect. Okay. So at this junction, guys, there's a lot to do with Excel, but I'd like to draw the curtain today in our lecture. Always know that your fonts and your alignment panel under the whole menu, they are very, very important for bringing out beautiful work under your tools. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification slip so that I can able to get new updates when we bring new videos to you. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye bye.